We're at the Chintalapalli residence doing a full repairability test. We're going to be taking this shingle out and reinstalling it and showing the creasing in these 2 rows of shingles from removing and nailing. So first things first, we're going to unseal. Oh, and this is the shingle insurance already paid for. That one's creased. Trying to be very careful not to damage the shingle. See, it's starting to tear up these corners when I try and sealing it. I'll try going from a different angle, but I'd imagine it'd be about the same result. I tried going from the bottom. It's shredding the shingle when I try to get up underneath it. You can see the fiberglass matting right there. Yeah, every single corner I'm trying to unseal these is just destroying it. You want to pause it?